A modern white house with bold geometric volumes rises from the arid desert landscape at sunset. Tall saguaro cacti surround the home as a fire pit glows near a water channel. This modern white house features sweeping lines and open spaces on a sandy beachfront. An infinity pool extends toward the turquoise ocean under the bright, clear blue sky. Nestled on a steep, snowy alpine mountainside, this modern white house features warm cedar accents. Glowing windows reveal a cozy interior amidst the dark, frozen forest. A modern white house with a clean, box-like silhouette sits on a manicured suburban lot. Golden sunlight casts long shadows across the lawn as interior lights begin to glow. Designed as connected pavilions, this modern white house sits within a lush tropical garden. A reflecting pool mirrors the structure and vibrant greenery in the humid air. Rooted in Scandinavian minimalism, this white timber house sits peacefully in a wild meadow. Birch trees frame the modest design under the soft light of an overcast sky. This modern home blends minimalism with brutalist concrete textures on a narrow urban lot. A dramatic recessed courtyard features an olive tree, lit by a warm interior glow. Inspired by Japanese design, this modern white house centers around a peaceful enclosed courtyard. Shoji-style screens open to a raked gravel garden and a sculpted pine. Perched on a rocky coastal bluff, this modern white house reinterprets Mediterranean style. Arched openings and a sunny terrace overlook the deep blue sea sparkling below. Floating on slender supports, this modern white house integrates seamlessly into a mature forest. A glazed atrium connects the volumes, capturing views of the Golden Woods. Squeezed onto a narrow urban lot, this crisp white townhouse contrasts with older brick neighbors. A perforated metal screen filters the light as the city dusk settles in. Paying homage to prairie style, this white house features low horizontal lines across a flat landscape. A reflecting pool mirrors the vast sky and the golden wheat fields. Situated on a calm lakeshore, this modern house features a soaring glass wall reflecting the water. Autumn trees surround the cedar deck and private dock in the golden light. Built into a steep hillside, this home features a dramatic cantilevered upper volume. The structure projects over the slope, framing panoramic views of the valley below. Reinterpreting the rural vernacular, this modern white farmhouse sits among open pastures. Golden sunset light warms the gabled roof and the cottage garden by the fence.